And there are two kinds of people who camp out in the fast lane. The oblivious kind, that when you pass them on the right, they're like...
They have no idea.
And then the other person is purposely saying, I'm not going to speed, and neither are you.
Right. I'm hitting the speed limit.
It's the times and moments where you're like, man, I wish there was a police officer here that would pull you over.
I know. But Ben, how can we not like what's happening outside?
It's a little warm out there for some. Yeah, and we're kind of in the middle of this miniature heat wave. I'm not really going to call it a heat wave because we really haven't hit 90 yet. We hit 88 degrees yesterday. We'll be in the upper 80s over the next couple of days. But some places did hit 90. I want to share with you Bremerton out at the Green Mountain Elementary School hit 91 still right now at 90. Camano Island hit 91 as well as Brennan, 90 degrees for a high temperature. Elsewhere around western Washington, quite a few upper 80s to at least near 90 degrees. So some of the warmest temperatures we've seen so far this year, we will be experiencing over the next couple of days. One thing you will notice, it is still cool along the coast. Forks right now is a measly 63 degrees right now. So you need to cool off, just head to the coast. It will be cool there over the next couple of days. Right now through downtown Seattle is 86 degrees. The wind has been kind of variable, but west-southwesterly right now just under 10 miles per hour. And it is going to be hot like this at least through Wednesday before we begin to cool things off, but probably not until Thursday at the earliest. Big ridge of high pressure sitting over us, and in the meantime, areas in eastern Washington, they're dealing with clouds and more rain showers. Believe it or not, out towards Spokane, Walla Walla and Wine Country, a little wetter at this hour, and we're kind of dealing with the opposite. If we had a satellite on here, we'd actually be able to see a couple of lower clouds hanging off the coast. That's what it's going to be like over the next couple of days. So if you're heading to Long Beach or if you live there, you're going to be seeing the coastal clouds, and that'll eventually push into the interior, but probably not until at least, we'll say, Thursday at the earliest. Tomorrow's forecast, very much like today. Temperatures starting off upper 50s to lower 60s, so it's going to be a warm start to the day. Already 70 degrees by noontime. That's our average high temperature for this time of year. And with a full day of afternoon sunshine, temperatures will have no trouble getting well into the 80s, and I would not be surprised if we saw a couple of low 90s out there as well. Heading up into the mountains tomorrow, mostly sunny for the most part. Past temperatures, at least at their warmest, upper 60s to mid 70s, a freezing level near about 12,000 feet. There may be an isolated shower late in the afternoon as a little bit of instability starts to creep overhead, but I think most of us are still going to be on the drier side. In fact, we're going to stay warm at least through, well, we'll say Wednesday, and then that ridge of high pressure slides off to the east. We'll see cooler weather, more of an onshore push start to show up as we head into Thursday and Friday. That will keep our temperatures in the 70s for highs. So upper 80s to low 90s at least through Wednesday. The first day of summer officially, even though it feels like it, is this upcoming Thursday. But that's when temperatures start to cool off, 77, which is still warmer than average. We will see temperatures bottom out on Friday when we'll see highs in the low to mid 70s. More cloud cover as well. As we head into the weekend, a ridge of high pressure gives us more sunshine on Saturday. Maybe a weak system on Sunday, giving us a slight chance for showers. But overall, it looks like a mostly dry and very summer-like forecast.